In today's video, I will show you how to get a 30% discount on Foenix AI, an amazing AI tool that allows you to build AI agents to automate your WordPress websites. To get started, you can use the first link in the description. It will take you to the Foenix AI website. Click on Sign In if you already have an account, or click on Sign Up to create a brand new account. Once you have signed in, this is the interface you will see. As you can see, we are currently on the free plan, which comes with 500 credits. To upgrade to a paid plan, click on Upgrade. You can see there are 3 pricing plans available: the Startup plan, the Pro plan, and the Custom plan. You can also switch to yearly billing to get a 20% discount. On top of that, you can save even more by using a coupon code. For this demonstration, I will select the monthly billing option and then choose the Pro plan. After clicking Upgrade to Pro, you will be taken to the checkout page. Here, you can see that the current price is $50. You will also see an option to add a promotion code. Click on it, enter the coupon code WEB30, and then click Apply. As you can see, we have successfully received a 30% discount. This coupon code works on all of the available pricing plans. And if you combine it with the yearly 20% discount, you will get almost 50% off. After applying the discount, you can enter the remaining details on the right-hand side. So this was how you can get a discount on Foenix AI using a coupon code. If you want to learn more about Foenix AI in detail, then check out the video appearing on your screen right now.